Hey everybody, welcome back. I am the Brisket Medic, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different than we've ever done before. But before you run off, we will be cooking inside. Don't worry, we are using smoked meat inside of it. Stick around as we cook up some pulled pork enchiladas. That's right, folks, I said it. Pulled pork enchiladas. Now, this is going to be some leftovers from that pulled pork that we made last week. If you missed that video, go ahead and click the link up above and see how we made this pulled pork on our Kamado style smoker, our acorn char griller. We're going to start off by making the enchilada sauce. Now, this is a super simple sauce. You can make it yourself. It's much more flavorful and has more depth of flavor than something in a can. But if you buy a can, that's fine too. The best way I've found to make enchilada sauce is to take about 1/3 of a large white onion, finely dice it, along with 3 cloves of garlic, more if you like it, finely dice that as well, and set it to the side. Now in a saucepan, add 2 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce. Get that nice and hot, almost to a simmer, and then add your onions and garlic to it. To that, we're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of cumin, 1/2 tablespoon of cayenne, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. You can salt and pepper to taste from there, but really you're just going to let that simmer for about 10 minutes. It's going to be some of the best enchilada sauce you've ever made. All right, now that's set to the side. You're going to take a portion of your pulled pork and open up a can of black beans. I like to add approximately 1 part pulled pork to 1/2 part black beans and get a good little ratio there. To that, we're also going to add a good handful of cheese and a little bit of that juice in there. Mix it all up because this is what we're going to be filling our tortillas with. And speaking of tortillas, we're going to be using H-E-B's flour and corn mixed tortillas for this because I absolutely love the flavor and they're super easy to work with. Very unique to H-E-B, so make sure you check them out. Let's go ahead and stuff up our tortillas with our mixture. As we do that, we're going to roll them up and throw them in an oven-safe casserole dish. Get them covered with our enchilada sauce and some more of this cheese. Now, this is H-E-B cheese as well. I love my H-E-B. They always have what I need in stock. It's always good. After we get all that laid in a pan, we're going to throw it in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Everything's cooked already, folks. You're just trying to meld all these flavors together, melt that cheese, and get that beautiful crust on top.
A few moments later.
Once that's done, I like to dice up some chives or some green onions to sprinkle on top with a little bit of crema and a little bit of Mexican cheese. Queso fresco. As soon as that's all crumbled up on top, and you're left with something amazing and beautiful and delicious just like this. Let's give it a taste. Smoked pulled pork homemade enchiladas. That sauce is so easy and flavorful. Delicious, guys. Make sure you like, you subscribe. I'll be cooking back outside again next week. I just really wanted some of these. More of that onion. Cheers.